thinking big and being entrepreneurial are kind of the same thing. I mean, if you take a look at InMobi, for example, you kind of have, once your goals are clear, you kind of have to mobilize the troops, work with people around, and then do whatever it takes to make stuff happen. And for us, stuff happening is basically winning.
Thinking big is perhaps one value that most of us in the company deeply share. Most of the technology bets that we are doing, be it the local DC re-architecture or the data platform 2.0 investments, we've been fairly brave about trying out these new initiatives, which are fairly risky because of the nature of the impact that it can have on the business.
It's amazing how the culture at InMobi inspires all of us. And some time back, we decided on drawing an elephant's single foot on the wall. And as the art would turn out, so we actually drew the foot trampling on some grass and a little flower next to it and a teeny tiny butterfly. Just imagine if the elephant's foot is this big, can you even fathom how large the elephant would be? It's always a source of inspiration on how we need to think way bigger, way bigger.
We have to win in every single market that we're in. And if you look at it, our goals are also set that way. So I think what's great over here is, one is there is clarity in that. There's clarity in that ambition and aggression. And plus, everyone is out there looking to do the same thing. So I think you can learn a phenomenal amount and be really effective in such a situation by adopting these attitudes.
To me, it's all about constantly looking out for that next big idea that can yield us step change in results, or it's about challenging what we do on a daily basis, or challenging the status quo. So that's a good example of how we could think big and act based on those thinking.